Our project title is a memory efficient hardware-based protein alignment schemes and pattern matching schemes for highly complex databases.
It is a simulating project and it is a VLSI design. It is simulated using a model sim, and our project is basically consists of two applications, that is biological application and networking application. Click on the model sim. Click on File, New, Project. Give the project name. Browse the working directory where the project code has been there, the source code. Click OK. Since the file is already saved, add existing file. Browse for all the subfiles in the directory. Click OK. And the selected directories will be on the left panel. To simulate all the subfiles, right click, first compile. To simulate, click on the library file, work, and the test bench. Right click and simulate. The subfiles of the test bench will be displayed. Right click on any one of the file and add all the waves to the wave design. Simulating window will be displayed. In order to run all the files, click Run All and give a break. The input values which we are given will be displayed in binary values. To convert all those to the ASCII value, right click, Radix and ASCII. The white color is the input file which we are given, and in the right side the MASH pattern will be displayed. Since the input file matches with the library file, it displays the output blood cancer alignment. This is the first application, that is the biological application is over. As we done for biological application, the same procedure has been used for the different code, that is for networking application. So this is a simulated output of a networking application. This is the virus patterns that are in the networking. The input file is in the left side, and that is being selected and it is converted into an ASCII value, and the pattern matching is being done here. When the network intrusion is detected, the wave gets an elevated output as it here, and if the pattern is not a virus pattern, then the data gets transferred easily and the wave will be in a straight line and there will not be any square wave elevated in the positive edge. Virus detected. This can be implemented in the hardware design and in the networking server, which will enable the speed processing, parallel computation, which will satisfy the demands of the future need. Thank you.